Hello students, today we learn about class 8 social science topic Wood's Dispatch. So let's learn about the topic. Wood's Dispatch. The English East India Company sent an educational dispatch to India in 1854, which was known as the Wood's Dispatch, after its author Charles Wood. It is not only emphasized on the practical benefits of Western learning systems, but also outlined the educational policy to be followed in India. The benefits of Wood's Dispatch. Indians will be able to realize the benefits that flow from expansion of trade and commerce. Indians will be exposed to Western culture and lifestyle, and this will lead to creation of demand for English goods. Western learning would supply to the company a new lot of indigenous, skilled, loyal, and dependable administrators. This would save companies resources. With these benefits, Wood also put some measures to improve the educational policy in India. Let's learn about those. Education department were to be set up in all provinces to supervise education and provide financial aid to the educational institutions. Establishment of graded system of schools, colleges and universities. Private schools and colleges were also to be given grants. At the primary level, the medium of instruction was to be vernacular, while at higher level it would be English. And the last measure was a new institution for training and recruiting teachers was to be set up. With this, he also suggested the London model of universities. On the basis of this model, universities were set up in 1857 at Calcutta, Madras and Bombay presidencies. At Roorkee and Calcutta, 2 engineering colleges were also established. In major cities such as Bombay, Madras, Calcutta and Lahore, medical colleges were also set up. Further advancement took place in the Indian education system towards the end of the 19th century, and during this period social reformers played a very important role.